Maty's all-natural baby ointment, 3-5 ounces. Petroleum by Maty is one of the best baby diaper creams and ointments products. Maty's all-natural baby ointment is petroleum-free and contains healthy oils that closely resemble the oils of baby's skin. It nourishes and protects your baby by creating a moisture barrier to help prevent diaper rash. It promotes healing without the messy buildup. Safe for cloth diapers. There are no parabens, phthalates, fragrances, hydrogenated oils, gluten, artificial colors or chemicals. Maty's multi-purpose ointment can be used for cradle cap, eczema, chapped lips and more. Maty's makes natural and organic whole food health alternatives for the entire family. The manufacturer's focus on healthy, whole food ingredients means that with the manufacturer's soothing remedies, you won't worry about side effects, drug interactions, or taking too much. Maty's creates drug-free alternatives for babies, children, and adults. All of Maty's products are either all-natural or organic, and are made with ingredients that you can pronounce. You can give them to your family and be confident that you know what is in them. Maty's product line includes organic and all-natural cough syrups, all-natural vapor rub, all-natural baby chest rub and baby ointment, and all-natural acid and digestion relief remedies. Soothe and protect little bottoms. Maty's natural baby ointment protects and soothes dry skin and diaper rash, with a gentle, natural formula that's safe for your baby's sensitive skin. The manufacturer's baby ointment can also be applied for cradle cap, eczema and chapped lips. Petroleum-free diaper ointment. Maty's baby ointment is a multi-purpose alternative to diaper rash creams. Made with healthy oils that are good for sensitive skin instead of petroleum, the manufacturer's ointment helps protect your baby's bum from painful diaper rash. We'll never use ingredients the manufacturer wouldn't use with the manufacturer's own families. Maty's uses pure, simple ingredients, each one chosen for its healing properties. Free of parabens, phthalates, hydrogenated oils, petroleum, sulfates, fragrances, mineral oils, gluten. Rethink your medicine cabinet. Maty's whole food, alternative health products are made with real ingredients, so you get natural and pure products. Started by a mom who wanted natural remedies for her children, Maty's formulas provide safe, healthy relief.